Hello, my name is Cosette Tsai, and today I'll show you how to watch a 360 immersive video for virtual instruction. You won't need these today, all you need is a computer. Now let's begin the video.
Okay, I'm going to demonstrate just how powerful this is.
Before he goes into too much detail, let's look to see what kind of classroom we're in. Seems like this is like a physical therapy type of class, so now we know our environment, and let's keep watching.
Immersive technology is when I'm demonstrating how to do a particular technique that requires you to actually draw your attention down to a very...
Now to draw your attention and look at all those details, we can pinch the screen and that would go in and out. However, if you want to use the buttons, go ahead and press the plus button to zoom in and the minus button to zoom out. In this case, we want to keep zooming in. And you can also slide the screen to see where you're going.
Small area. This may be that I'm mixing some solutions, or it may be that, like in this example, I'm trying to show where to do hand placement in CPR. If you're too far back in this room, you wouldn't actually see the indentions in the chest here and be able to notice how I put my fingers in a particular place to be able to locate.
You can also see from different angles on where you're pressing.
Find the right location for chest compressions. But this technology allows you to be right here, very close to the demonstration, so that you can see it while I'm doing it. And that's really helpful for our students to be able to see it while it's happening. I can also, utilize the technology as I'm demonstrating other techniques in the same area without having to actually create an environment that's got a lot of bells and whistles, or a studio or something like this. This is very simple for our faculty to implement, and it's very powerful for our students to actually engage with that information.
And that's it. Thank you for watching.